Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So in today's video I'll be unboxing the PS5. Now this PS5 is the disc edition. So yeah, let's just get into it. So here I have the box it came in. I had to open the box just to know that it was the PS5, and then I saw a white box, so I quickly closed it and didn't look at anything else. So this is my first impression, and it could be yours too, but I am so excited. This is like the most hyped console. I'm normally an Xbox guy. This is my first PlayStation that I've ever had. As I said, this is the disc version, and I don't know what else to say, so let's just go unbox it. So in this video, I'll only be unboxing it. I will not be reviewing it and turning it on. If you want to see that video, that will be coming out. Just let me know if you want to see it, and whoa. Okay, now I gotta take this box out of the other box. So let's just quickly take all of this wrapping off. Oh my god, this box is huge. This box is so big. What? Okay. I'm gonna quickly just try to take this box out. Okay, so I've been able to get it out of the bigger box, and whoa! I've only seen this in pictures, and to see it in real life is just something else, you know? I'm so excited to turn this thing on and everything. Okay, let's do this. Oh my gosh, okay. So this is the disc version. PS5s come in this white background, the non-disc come in the black one. So yeah, this is the disc one. I do have one game on it that I bought just so that as soon as I turn it on I can play a game. So I've got Spider-Man, Miles Morales. Yeah, I don't know how to open this, but oof. Okay, so here we have the top, and it should be here, and it is. Okay, so at the front, obviously we have the picture, and the back we have Play Like Never Before and About It. On this side we have the branding. On this side we have the PS5, and on the top was just blue with some branding. Okay, so I'm opening it. Okay, let's go. I heard that this PS4 is very big. I was pretty surprised when people said the Xbox is smaller than the PS4 by a lot, because for me the Xbox Series X was pretty big when I just unboxed it. Okay, so now it's probably under here, isn't it? So okay, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, it goes that way. Okay. Still not under here. Okay, it's probably under this bit then. So here we have multiple stuff. Quick start guide. Very nice. We have the controller. I'm so excited about the controller. I haven't seen it yet. Okay. Quick, all the instructions. Then we have the wires here. Okay, you only get this wire, you don't get a HDMI wire. That's really weird. What? Why don't you get a HDMI wire? Oh no, wait, do you? You don't get a HDMI wire, but you get a wire to charge the controller. That is really weird. Hey, you don't get a HDMI controller. Huh. What? Why wouldn't they give you a HDMI controller? Oh my god, okay, now I don't know where I'm gonna get a HDMI thing from, but I probably have one somewhere around the house. Okay, and now we here have the controller. Whoa, okay, I have never touched this controller before, never seen it in real life. What the hell? What? It is not white. It's not white. It's like, whoa, it's not white, it's like grey. Okay, you know what, stop it, I'm just gonna take it out. It's not white, it's grey. Whoa. Okay. Okay, wow, it is a big controller. These bits right here. Also, if you want to see a review on the controller, just let me know. I'll do a review on anything. Okay, time to get used to a PS4 controller. Microphone, speakers, everything is very cool. Let's put that to the side. Okay, and I think that's it on this part. Okay, so I just lift this up. And it's probably going to be under here, but this is very heavy. I'm still surprised how I didn't get a HDMI cable. Okay, so this bit is probably the part that you put under. Oh no, HDMI cable's here. Good, because I don't know if where I would have found one. Okay, so this bit is the part you put under your PS5 if you're putting it landscape or if you're putting it vertically. I'm still not sure. I'm probably gonna put it landscape just as it looks better, in my opinion. But this bit goes on the bottom, and yeah, or on the side, depending on which way you decide to put it. And now it's gonna be under here, finally. Okay, it's a big box, and now I know why, because there's so many things. Okay, and here we have the PS5. Oh my, I've watched so many videos about this, and I'm actually seeing it right now. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Okay. It is thick. It is very thick. Okay, how do I get this out? I don't want to break anything. Oh, it's heavy. I'm probably gonna do it sideways because it's easier and more safe. Very loud noise. Okay, I got it out. It is very heavy. Okay, I did that one-handed and that was so heavy. Let's take both the sides off. This thing is very heavy. Okay, that wasn't that heavy, but okay. And the other side. And there we have it. Wow, that is one huge console. I thought the Xbox was big because I had the Xbox One S and that was really tiny. I thought the Xbox was big. This is huge. Oh my. Okay, I think is that the back or the front? That's the front, okay. Okay, let's just take this wrapper off. And I think it goes the same with the actual console. It's not fully white. There's like a grey tint to it. Okay, how do I get this off? Okay, this is very complicated. There we have it, guys. The PS5. The console that we've been waiting for 7 years now. It is big. What the hell? This is almost PC size right here. And it's not that heavy without the box bit. But still, it is big and it is slightly heavy. Okay, so I put the camera at a lower angle so that hopefully you get a better view. And yeah, you can just see how big this is, okay? I was thinking about these side bits, like I was always thinking that they would break off easily, and they are kind of flimsy, like you can bend them, but not as much as I thought. So obviously we have the disc version here with the USB and the charging bit and the power on button. And then if we go to the back, okay, I probably shouldn't do this, but I'm doing it. If we go to the back here, we have ventilation, bunch of ports like the USB, is that a VAN? I don't know. HDMI and the power bit. And yeah, again, more ventilation on the top bit and throughout the sides here. So no more PS4. I didn't have a PS4, but I know from friends that the PS4 made a really loud noise, so I hope this doesn't make that noise. The Xbox has been really good so far, like no noise. Apart, the disc player on the Xbox is louder than the fan, okay, I'm just saying that, so that's how quiet the Xbox is. But yeah, I don't know what else to say. Again, if you want to see a full review, please let me know. I really want to know what you guys want to see on my channel. Because I just don't want it to be whatever I like I make videos of. I want you guys to get involved into my channel so that I know what you want to see, and yeah, I'll make it happen. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time, guys. Bye.